Are you planning to attend the Inner Engineering offline program by Sadhguru and wondering how to register? In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step registration process. Inner Engineering in Person is a structured program offered by the Isha Foundation. Depending on the location, it may be conducted as a 4-day or 7-day program. The program includes guided sessions, yogic practices, and the transmission of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. No prior yoga experience is required. Let's get started with the registration process. First, visit the official Inner Engineering website. Here you'll find upcoming in-person programs happening in different cities and countries. Scroll down to the Upcoming Programs section. Browse the available cities and select a program that's convenient for you. You can also check the main Isha Foundation website for program announcements and registration links. Stay informed on the latest events and opportunities for personal growth.
Make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. Participants should be 15 years or older. No previous yoga experience is needed. Read all program guidelines carefully. Review the schedule, venue, and fee details. Once you've selected your preferred program, click the Register button. You'll be redirected to the registration page where you'll need to provide your details. Full name, email address, phone number, city and country, and other required details. With just a few clicks, you're closer to joining the yoga program. After filling out the form, proceed to payment. Registration is confirmed only after successful payment. Once your registration is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email. The email will contain program details and venue information. You'll also find reporting instructions and guidelines. Make sure to check your inbox and spam folder. Follow these steps for a smooth registration process. Thank you for your registration.
You can also register through the official Sadhguru app. It allows you to browse programs and enroll directly. If you face any issues during registration, contact the Isha Foundation support. They can help with registration questions, payment issues, and more. Registering for Inner Engineering offline is simple when you follow these steps. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.